Saving and investing in stocks as a beginner is not about chasing quick profits, predicting market crashes, or finding a secret formula that guarantees wealth, but about understanding how ownership works, how markets move over long periods of time, how emotions influence decisions, and how building a simple, disciplined system allows money to grow steadily without constant stress, speculation, or risky behavior. Number 10. Understand what a stock actually represents. Many beginners approach the stock market as if it were a fast-moving game of numbers on a screen, without realizing that a stock represents partial ownership in a real business that produces goods or services. When you buy a stock, you are not simply buying a price. You are buying a share in a company's future earnings, risks, and growth potential. Understanding this shifts the mindset from short-term trading to long-term ownership. Ownership encourages patience because businesses grow over years, not days. This perspective also reduces panic during temporary price drops, since short-term volatility does not always reflect long-term value. Thinking like an owner rather than a gambler is the foundation of intelligent investing. Clarity about what you own protects beginners from emotional decisions driven by headlines or market noise. Number 9. Start with financial stability before investing. Investing should not begin before a foundation of financial stability is established, because market volatility can create unnecessary emotional pressure when money is needed for immediate expenses. Beginners who invest without an emergency fund often feel forced to sell during downturns, not because the investment is fundamentally flawed, but because life expenses demand liquidity at the wrong time. When investments are tied to survival needs, every market fluctuation feels threatening rather than temporary. A basic emergency buffer creates psychological distance between daily life and long-term investing decisions. This separation allows investments to remain untouched during temporary market declines, which are normal and expected over time. Stability reduces fear, and reduced fear improves judgment. When financial obligations such as rent, utilities, and debt payments are secure, investments can be viewed as long-term growth tools instead of short-term safety nets. Investing from a position of security leads to calmer behavior during volatility. Calm behavior is one of the most underrated advantages in long-term wealth building. Number 8. Learn the difference between investing and speculation. Speculation is often driven by short-term price movements, trending headlines, or excitement around rapid gains, while investing is grounded in long-term business performance and economic growth. Beginners frequently confuse activity with progress, assuming that frequent buying and selling increases potential returns. In reality, constant trading often increases emotional stress and transaction costs without improving outcomes. Speculative behavior depends on prediction, and prediction in short-term markets is extremely difficult, even for professionals. Long-term investing, by contrast, relies on the historical tendency of businesses and economies to grow over extended periods. Understanding this difference shifts the focus from daily price changes to long-term ownership and earnings potential. It also reduces the urge to chase trends or react to news cycles that may have limited long-term significance. When investing becomes about ownership rather than excitement, decisions become more deliberate and less reactive. Clarity about this distinction protects beginners from turning investing into gambling. Number 7. Use diversified funds instead of picking individual stocks first. Selecting individual stocks requires evaluating company performance, competitive advantages, management quality, and financial statements, which can be complex for beginners. New investors are often attracted to well-known brands or popular companies without fully understanding valuation or risk concentration. Owning a single company exposes the portfolio to risks specific to that business, including leadership changes, industry disruption, or unexpected financial challenges. Diversified index funds spread investments across dozens or hundreds of companies, reducing the impact of any single company's failure. This structure allows beginners to participate in overall market growth without needing deep analytical expertise. Diversification does not eliminate risk, but it reduces unnecessary concentration. Lower concentration risk increases the likelihood of staying invested during downturns. Staying. Invested is essential because long-term growth depends on time rather than constant adjustment. Starting broad allows beginners to build experience and confidence before considering more advanced strategies. Number 6. Invest consistently instead of trying to time the market. Market timing appears attractive because it promises higher returns by buying at the lowest point and selling at the highest. However, accurately predicting short-term market movements is extremely difficult and often influenced by unpredictable events. Waiting for the perfect moment can result in missing long periods of steady growth. Consistent investing, such as monthly contributions, reduces the pressure of deciding when to enter the market. This strategy spreads purchases across different price levels, lowering the emotional weight of each individual decision. Regular contributions turn investing into a routine habit rather than a speculative event. Habits are easier to maintain than predictions. Over time, consistency smooths out short-term volatility and allows compounding to work uninterrupted. Routine participation builds wealth more reliably than attempts at precision timing. Number 5. Focus on long-term growth, not short-term performance. Daily market movements are influenced by news events, economic data, investor sentiment, and speculation, none of which necessarily reflect a company's long-term value. Beginners who monitor their portfolios constantly are more likely to interpret normal fluctuations as signals to act. Frequent checking increases emotional reactions, which often lead to poor timing decisions. Long-term growth requires tolerating temporary declines without abandoning the strategy. Historically, markets have experienced downturns but continued growing over extended periods. Understanding this historical context builds patience during volatility. Patience allows investments to remain untouched long enough for compounding to take effect. Compounding multiplies returns when earnings generate additional earnings over time. Focusing on long-term direction rather than short-term noise reduces stress and improves results. Number 4. Understand risk before chasing returns. Higher potential returns are usually associated with higher levels of uncertainty and volatility. Beginners sometimes focus on impressive past performance without considering the risks that accompanied those gains. Risk tolerance is personal and depends on income stability, time horizon, and emotional comfort with fluctuations. Investments that cause constant anxiety are difficult to hold during downturns. Selling during panic often locks in losses that could have recovered over time. Measured risk allows investors to remain invested even during challenging periods. Remaining invested is critical because missing recovery periods can significantly reduce long-term returns. Balancing risk with comfort ensures that strategy and behavior align. Alignment between strategy and psychology increases long-term success. Number 3. Keep costs low and avoid unnecessary fees. Investment costs may appear small in percentage terms, but over decades, they significantly impact total returns. High expense ratios, trading commissions, and frequent buying and selling quietly reduce the amount of money that remains invested. Beginners often overlook fees because they are not as visible as price movements. Even a small annual percentage difference compounds into a large amount over long time horizons. Low-cost index funds minimize this drag and allow more capital to participate in growth. Reducing costs does not require advanced knowledge, only awareness and comparison. Lower expenses increase the efficiency of the investment strategy. Efficiency supports compounding by preserving gains. Over time, cost control becomes one of the simplest ways to improve results without increasing risk. Number 2. Avoid emotional decision-making during market swings. Market volatility is inevitable, and periods of decline can feel intense for beginners experiencing them for the first time. Fear-driven headlines often exaggerate short-term events, increasing anxiety and urgency. Selling during downturns converts temporary declines into permanent losses. Similarly, buying aggressively during excitement can result in overpaying. Emotional decisions are usually reactive rather than strategic. Having a predetermined allocation and contribution plan reduces the need for spontaneous reactions. Preparation builds confidence during uncertain periods. Confidence reduces impulsive behavior. Maintaining discipline during volatility protects long-term growth. Number 1. Think in decades, not days. Stock market wealth is typically built over extended periods through steady participation and compounding growth. Short-term performance can be unpredictable and occasionally discouraging. Viewing investments through a daily lens increases stress and shortens patience. Extending the timeline to decades shifts focus toward gradual accumulation rather than rapid results. Compounding requires time to demonstrate its full effect. The longer investments remain untouched, the more powerful compounding becomes. Time reduces the significance of temporary declines. A long-term mindset simplifies decisions because fewer reactions are required. Thinking in decades transforms investing from speculation into structured wealth building. Bonus tip: keep learning, but avoid information overload. Education builds confidence and improves understanding of financial principles. However, constant exposure to financial news, opinions, and predictions can create confusion and doubt. Beginners may feel pressured to react to every new piece of information. A simple, evidence-based strategy often performs better than frequent adjustments based on headlines. Learning foundational concepts such as diversification, risk management, and compounding provides long-term clarity. Clarity reduces anxiety during market swings. Balanced learning supports steady behavior rather than constant change. Steady behavior allows compounding to continue uninterrupted. In investing, disciplined simplicity often outperforms constant complexity. If you want to start investing in stocks as a beginner, choose one principle from this video and focus on applying it consistently rather than trying to master everything at once. Let me know in the comments which step you are starting with. Subscribe for realistic and pressure-aware financial guidance, and thank you for watching. See you next time.